To the Likeable Forms GetResponse extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to add a contact to one of your GetResponse campaigns. To get started, you want to go ahead and add your Likeable Forms license key and also your GetResponse API key. If you don't have your GetResponse API key yet, be sure to check out our documentation on how to actually grab one. And then if this is the first time you've added this, go ahead and hit Verify License Key. So once that's finished validating, we can go ahead and move on into our extension settings. Now that we've added our API key, we can actually populate all of your campaign/list names into this little drop down. So let's go ahead and select one. The next step is we want to actually map over some data for our new contact. We'll need a name field and also an email field. So let's go ahead and jump into our form editor and add view. So we're going to add a text field for our name field. Let's go ahead and title this out name, change the label, and then we'll go ahead and add an email address field for the contact's email. And now we can jump back into our extension settings and we can go ahead and map this. So we'll use the email address field for the email and we'll use the name field for the name. The next step is if you have autoresponders already set up, you can actually add a specific day as to when you want to go ahead and get the contact started with your autoresponders. And also you have the option to add a contact scoring. So this really is up to you, but it should be a number. And so we'll just say 100. You can also change this to 10 or 50, and you can always change this later. The last step is actually if you want to enable double opt-in. So if we actually create a contact for you, but before we add the contact to the campaign, you can have GetResponse send them a confirmation email before actually starting them inside of your campaign. You can also automatically just go ahead and add the contact to the campaign. So either option, we're going to create a new contact for you and GetResponse. There you have it.